Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to hide or disable security tab in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click Explorer. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type No Security tab, N, S, and T are capital letters. Change value data to 1. OK and close Exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.